Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thanks for joining us as we track yet another tropical cyclone to the north of New Zealand. This one is called Donna. It's already a Category 2 storm and is likely to reach severe Cat 3 in the next 24 hours or so. It's near Vanuatu. That's the main island that's going to be affected, or the main nation, and this is where the storm currently sits up there to our northwest. Now this animated wind map shows total precipitable water. What on earth does that mean? Basically it means where you see the blues, there's a high risk of rain. Where you see the oranges down here, a lower risk, a drier air. So it's wet up here, and you can see what happens when a low down around our part of the world, down around New Zealand, pulls down that tropical air. That's all the heavy rain. What we're thinking is there's a possibility that might happen with Donna. It might just line up with New Zealand and produce a band of very heavy rain. So here's the map that shows, well basically it's a satellite map, and it shows a colorized version of what is happening around Vanuatu at the moment. There's the main islands, there's the center of Donna, this is New Caledonia around here. So you've got the outer fringes of Donna bringing in a few showers to New Caledonia, and over here that's Fiji, also a few showers but nothing too serious. The main storm is tracking like this, and then it will slide down Vanuatu and head towards New Zealand, not as a storm, as I said before, it'll be more as a rainmaker. So this is how it might look over the next 7 days. This is the total amount of rain over the next 7 days according to the American government, and they're trying to work out where all the rain is. So the heavy rain all around here. But look at New Caledonia, next to Donna, but not perhaps getting so much rain. So the system is small in size and is likely to slide down here. So the areas with red, perhaps indicating that the northwestern areas of both islands in New Zealand are perhaps at a slightly higher risk of rain. So we'll talk about next week in a moment. Let's quickly look at how the weekend is shaping up. This is Friday around New Zealand. A few showers, especially around Southland, caught up in the south to southwesterly. The high, big and strong out in the Tasman Sea. Most places in New Zealand will have cold mornings and then a fairly mild or nice afternoon. Into Saturday now, no real difference. There's the high, a light wind around the country. Might even be a couple of fog patches here and there. Generally speaking, Saturday looks pretty calm, but the storm up here still very intense. A severe storm at this stage, and is likely to be producing damaging winds and very heavy rain to Vanuatu around Saturday. By the time we get to Sunday, the low is still deep and still up to the north there. New Zealand though, still under high pressure, so our weekend is looking mostly settled and calm with cool mornings and fairly average afternoons. You might notice though there's a stormy system there approaching Tasmania. That's the one that we think might end up linking up with this system up to the north here, not to produce a storm, but to produce some heavy rain. So let's fast forward 1 week. This is around about next Thursday, a whole week away. And you can see very clearly the rainmakers lining up with the tropics. So basically Donna, which the remnants are lying in this area here, so it's not a storm, but it has a lot of rain, and with this blocking high out to the east, that's the concern, that this area of rain will be slow moving, tropical, and blocked by a high. But you can also see just to the west, very dry conditions and another high pressure system. So it is a fine line. We're definitely not locking in severe weather for New Zealand just yet, but we are saying the computer models are starting to pick it. It is looking likely that sometime next week we're going to get a period of heavy rain. That is all from me. We'll keep you updated, and also don't forget you can go to the Fiji Met Service as well for all the latest. They're the official forecaster for tracking this particular storm.